Hey, little feller. Pigeon meat for sale, $5 a pound. Fresh. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound, pigeon meat. Anyone interested in pigeon meat? $5 a pound. $5 a pound, pigeon meat. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Interested? Pigeon meat? I'm selling pigeon meat, $5 a pound.
Hi, Alvin. Did you see?
Hey! No cat calling. Hey! Hey, little fella! Cat calling on the street. Woo-hoo!
Alfie was, did you see him on my foot?
Yeah. Left it. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound.
I'm a vegetarian.
Fresh.
I'm a vegetarian. You're talking
Oh,
about.
okay.
We're all vegetarian.
Oh, good. I'm joking. I am too.
This one, I know. I could tell.
I'm joking. I'm messing with people. I'm messing with people, seeing if anyone's interested.
No, then
should
you
be-
give them shit.
They should be interested because there's dead pigeons. They might as well eat them if they got hit. Yeah, you too. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound. Psst, pigeon meat. Psst, pigeon meat, $5 a pound. All right, I'm done fooling around. Pigeon meat, $5 a pound, fresh, in my apartment. I'll get it right for you. All right, that's good for now.
Pigeon meat.
Yeah, she has headphones on. All right, I'm done harassing people for now. They have headphones on.